Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to show you, I will tell you how to fix Apple ID not showing in the mobile. As you can see, in this mobile, I try to install Apple ID. As you can see, it has given an error. Now it says the phone number is not verified even though there is no such thing. The Apple ID is absolutely correct. And after that we don't receive the verification code on our number. And now we move to another way in which we can easily apply the Apple ID. Go to the home screen and open the App Store. As you can see, top of the right corner, just tap on it, and now here you put your Apple ID as you were putting it there in the settings. Now here you enter your code, which is given above your trusted phone number. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.